If your phone won't connect to your Hyundai Sonata Bluetooth, or you're setting it up for the first time, here's exactly how to pair it in 1 minute. Firstly, press Setup. Afterwards, iPhone, then Add New. And now here you can delete some devices if needed.
Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen. Contacts download is starting. Some phones require additional confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
That's all. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if this helped.